A completely different motorcycle with chain final drive, manual clutch and 6-speed manual transmission. After sharing initial specifications, Italjet has released more specifications on both the Dragster 700 Twin Factory Limited Edition and the base model. The 692 cubic centimeters twin engine that will power both Dragster 700 twins is supplied by Benelli. Claimed top speed is 190 km per hour, about 118 miles per hour. The listed vehicle weight is 190 kilograms, or approximately 419 pounds, but it's unclear whether this is dry weight or curb weight. The maximum weight limit is 285 kilograms. As mentioned earlier, the Italjet Dragster 700 Twin Factory Limited Edition will receive Öhlins steering damper and Öhlins rear suspension. Italjet says the rear suspension is an adjustable single shock and also offers adjustable height. The Italjet Dragster 700 Twin Factory Limited Edition has an MSRP of €14,900, approximately $16,212 at the time of writing. The base Dragster 700 Twin, also somewhat confusingly called the E-production version, is designed to be released after the limited edition and will retail at €12,900, about $14,036. For those cross-shopping non-traditional scooters at home, that's just a few $1,000s more than the MSRP of the 2024 BMW CE04. Italjet has long been known for making scooters, but it's true that the Dragster 559 Twin and now the Dragster 700 Twin are a bit different from standard modern twist-and-go expectations. In interviews around the time the Dragster 559 Twin was unveiled at EICMA, Tartarini stated that he personally loved using the clutch and shifting gears on a motorcycle, and that this was something he wanted to include in the larger Dragster Twin designs. So, although they are similar to the smaller Dragster scooters released previously, their drivetrain is completely different with their trellis chassis. To echo Prince, this is not a scooter, not a motorcycle, something you will never understand. Or maybe you'll understand when you get in. The liquid-cooled, 4-stroke, DOHC, 8-valve twin engine produces 68 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and 70 Nm, approximately 51.6 pound-feet, of torque at unspecified RPM. Since we don't yet know the curb weight of the Dragster 700 Twin, we can't say anything about its power-to-weight ratios for now. What we can tell you is that the factory limited edition gets a number of tasty upgrades over the upcoming base model that go beyond the exclusive black and gold exterior. The bikes in this version will also receive a full Akrapovic exhaust, an Öhlins rear suspension and steering damper, unspecified but a unique Brembo brake calipers, and a Ducabike clutch cover complete with a transparent viewing window. As stated in the initial announcement, Italjet opened the pre-order window on Friday, July 12, 2024 at 1600 hours Italian time. It's unclear how many of these factory limited edition bikes will be produced, but the company also says it will close pre-orders at EICMA this year and the finished bike will be displayed at the Italjet booth. Pricing and availability have not been announced yet but will be made public very soon.